Hi, welcome to Le Gourmet TV. Today we're going to make something that is traditionally thought of as being really challenging, but can be very simple, and that's peanut brittle. So in a large glass bowl or a big measuring cup like this one, I've got some basic sugar. I'm going to add some water. I'm going to add some corn syrup. Make a mess. Mix it together, add some peanuts. And then for 14 minutes, I'm going to put it in the microwave. Every microwave's a little bit different, but that's a good place to start. Perhaps my bowl, there we go, perhaps my bowl should have been a bit bigger. But the last few things we want to do is add in some butter. Oh, it's very sticky and very hot. So mix in your butter and then throw in some baking soda, and that too will bubble up. There we go. And in a, everything's a little sticky now. On a grease pan, just throw it down. And then you let it cool. Now I warn you, it looks tasty. Do not lick your spatula. This is still really quite hot. Set it aside, a couple hours, it'll be cool. Just smash it down into the sizes you want, and you're ready to share it with friends.